Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to update the Android version of your phone. Make it sure to watch until the end because I will also explain what to do if no update is showing. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open the settings app, and after that, scroll down and look for software update or system update. The name can change depending on your phone brand. Alright, so check for updates or download and install. If an update is available, your phone will show it here. Tap download and then install once it's ready. Your phone will restart and apply the new version. So if your phone says it's up to date, but you're still on the old version, it could be because your phone model no longer support new updates. The update hasn't rolled out in your region yet. So in that case, you can check the phone brand official website or visit a service center for help. So that's it. Now you know how to check for an update on your Android version quickly and safely. Thanks for watching and see you next time.